national anthem. God, bless this land of ours. Justice be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace and liberty. Plenty be found within our borders. Justice can only be a shield and defender if there is democracy. Then may we live in unity and love each other. No discrimination on the basis of gender, ethnicity, race, or religion. Unite all the Kenyan people, all the 46 tribes of Kenya. Give them equal opportunity in terms of education, in terms of employment. Don't discriminate against your fellow Kenyan because it does not come from your tribe. And that is what Ogola believed in. And that is what he showed. And that is how he even worked wherever he worked. It is, Your Excellency, tragic that we are studying today. But he has also shown, just as in life, in death, he also said he wants a simple burial and be buried as quickly as possible. This is in line with the traditions of our own African people. Commercializing burials today is not African, it's un-African. People used to be buried either the same day or the following day when they died. Burial or funeral was not an enterprise as what has come today. So he said he wanted to be buried the way it is, without a coffin, soil back to the soil. A great Kenyan patriot. Your Excellency, I want to conclude by saying that because of the manner in which Ogola died, a lot of rumors are flying around all over. We want these rumors to be put to rest. And this can only happen if there's a thorough